This video shows you how to clean the tray roller kit of your printer. Clean the rollers in the trays to prevent streaks on your prints and avoid paper jams. Turn off the printer. Open the front door, and then turn off the power switch. Remove tray 1. Remove the rollers. Apply water to a soft, lint-free cloth. Wipe the rollers. Insert the rollers. Insert tray 1. Remove tray 2. Remove tray 4. Remove the rollers. Wipe the rollers. Insert the rollers. Insert tray 4. Insert tray 2. Open the front door, and then turn on the power switch. If the display is blank, then press the power button on the control panel.